Outlet not working? It's way more common than you think, and you can usually fix it without calling an electrician. So, first off, check if the circuit breaker tripped. Sometimes it just flips off, and flipping it back on can save you a trip. Next up, grab a voltage tester or even a simple outlet tester if you have one around. Test the outlet to see if it's actually getting power. That way, you're not guessing. If the tester shows no power but the breaker is fine, then the outlet itself might be faulty. Replacing an outlet is pretty straightforward. Turn off the breaker to that outlet, unscrew the faceplate and outlet, and carefully disconnect the wires. When you install the new one, make sure to connect the wires exactly where they were before. Usually black wire to brass, white wire to silver, and ground wire to the green screw. After swapping it out, flip the breaker back on and test the outlet again. If it still doesn't work, you might have a bigger wiring issue or a problem further upstream in your electrical system. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not turning off the power before messing with outlets, which is super dangerous and can cause shocks. Always double check by flipping the breaker and testing with your voltage tester before touching anything. Another common issue is mixing up wires when replacing an outlet. Connecting wires to the wrong screws can cause short circuits or make the outlet useless. Take a clear picture or label wires before disconnecting them to avoid confusion. The third problem is ignoring signs that your outlet needs total replacement instead of just resetting breakers, like burn marks, cracks, or a burning smell, which are signs of serious electrical issues. If you spot any of those, swapping out the outlet right away or calling a pro is the way to go. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors get connected with people looking for their services, so everyone wins.